Hey everyone! Today we're opening the MSI Cyborg 15 B2RW. You can find the full review with our lab tests, benchmarks, display measurements, and more on LaptopMedia.com. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. To reach the internals, we remove 12 screws and lift off the bottom panel. We are using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. The first 4 screws are shorter than the rest. With the thin plastic tool, we start releasing the clips. Be careful not to slide too far inward and damage a component. The bottom panel is off. Before we go any further, we disconnect the battery and take it out. This is the SSD. There is only one M2 storage slot. The processor sits under this heatsink. The discrete GPU is below it. Cooling relies on one fan. This Wi-Fi card supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The two SO-DIMM memory slots are under this EMI shield. We will try to remove the tape between the shield and the battery as cleanly as possible so it can be reused. Now we pull out the connector, which is additionally secured with this tape. This is the steel bracket that holds it in place. We remove the 4 screws that secure the battery. It is a 4-cell lithium polymer pack with 55.2 watt-hours of typical capacity. The label also shows 54.1 watt-hours rated capacity. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Next, we remove the SSD. There is an EMI shield on top. The laptop supports one NVMe PCI Express 4 M2 drive, and this unit uses a 512GB SanDisk SSD. The metallized tape between the shield and the cooling system is very firmly attached and tears easily. We tried this without gloves and cut that part of the video. We will remove the shield without peeling the tape off. It is seated fairly tightly. Here are the two memory slots. We remove the installed memory module. Our configuration has one 8GB Micron DDR55600 stick. Officially, the two SODIMM slots support up to 96GB, although the actual speed depends on the processor and the memory combination. We place the RAM shield back into the metal clips on the motherboard. Make sure it is aligned properly on every side. We reinstall the SSD. We stick its shield back on as well. We put the battery back in place. We reconnect its cable to the motherboard. That was a quick look inside the MSI Cyborg 15 B2RW and its upgrade options. On LaptopMedia.com, you can also see our benchmark tests, display measurements, and battery life results, which are some of the most common points of interest around the Cyborg 15 series. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.